Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another price prediction for April 2024 on Lido DAO cryptocurrency, which is yet again pumping, part of the biggest gainers. We have almost 10% for the last 24 hours, and I'd like to share with you some of the information that are standing behind a rational perspective towards the market. So before we dive into the topic, I'd like to talk to you about the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it just stands for the other altcoins, and we clearly see that here we have a pattern of ascending triangle with a capability after we have reacted very well on 200 days moving average plus on the uptrending line support. We're pushing basically to the highs right now, attacking the flat top of the triangle with the aim of breaking above and continuing basically to the $900 billion market cap as the first target for this one. Right, so it's something that is not just sustained as a single movement in the BTC or Ethereum, it's also part of the other altcoins that are riding a great possibility for us in the upcoming period, guys. Now, what's happening on Lido DAO side? Before we dive into the topic, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. As well, we have our BTC live trade going on for those of you that would like to get inspired by trades. I got my BTC long trade since 38 grand on BTC and I'm still holding it. We got 1.4 million bucks profit on this one, and we're quite happy about it. So for those of you that would like to participate in my trades, you can definitely join my trading journey without any prior fees, just a commission from the pure profits achieved, totally outsourced and done for you through API trading permission, all running fine and smooth. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there that is interested about how to learn cryptocurrency professionally. This is directly with me. So what's happening with Lido DAO, folks? Well, it's the daily candlesticks that we're looking at, and it's a situation that I've been also speaking about. Like, this is my YouTube video I posted 2 months ago. This is the chart I was speaking about at the 2 minutes and 20 seconds. At that time, I was telling you that we have the capability basically to push into the upper black encircled area, which is slightly below the yellow encircled area. We're going to reverse from the level we are on the golden pocket at that time and push into that particular part, which is exactly what we have been performing, folks. From the golden pocket area, we have pushed into the encircle. This is the place I had the encircle in the video at that time 2 months ago, and I was telling you we'd push into that with a capability of very strong impulse move, which for those of you that have been monetizing gave you about 30 to 35%, which is very good. At the same time, in this current context, what's happening? Well, it's the same level that is holding us with the same capabilities of at least going to 3.6 $4, right? So this is a box here, which I'm making right now, that is creating a level of higher high on the other structure, on the previous structure. And it's also giving the ability to consider that in this whole movement, we have basically a very strong uptrending channel established with higher lows as well, and with a capability at some point to break out of this resistance line, which is coming quite a while ago, and it's going to be very active at this level, guys. So you want to see where that goes exactly, how that trending line, let's just do it exactly here in the video and have the exact numbers. It really depends when you touch that. The later you touch the line, the higher it's going to be. So let's say we touch that on, by 30th of April, we're going to be around $4. That's where resistance will be expected. The resistance we're expecting at those levels should not punish us to send the markets below 3.3. 3.3 was another major top of the structure back in the day on early 2023, which was basically coming into the late bear market stage with the accumulation behaviors and capabilities of starting the bull market, right? So that high right there is significant for us on 3.3. You break above it right now, you get into the top, you find resistance from the trend, you get back into the 3.3, and that level must hold and bounce you back very aggressively into the retest of number 4. Why do you need such close recovery? Well, it's very important for any impulse movement to retrace, and that ends near to the top, right? So the retracement must end near to the top when you're in a meaningful level of a breakout after a few testings of, the trending line here in the top and unsuccessful outcomes. You're right now dealing with a situation when things must push into that level and retrace in a minor way for you to be able to reaccumulate and reestablish the structure for a strong breakout above $4, which is definitely not an easy job, right? That's something for April. Pushing into the $4, getting back to 3.3, and then reaction on 3.3 to be significant, as that's going to send us above $5, right? So this is what is needed basically to be achieved in April. If we successfully deliver right now a strong bull market, altcoin movement, altcoin rally, we're going to achieve that quite quickly, quite fast. The reaction today on the daily is very good, and we're quite happy to see the charts basically advancing so well, especially that the reactions here in the lows are very bullish, guys, with higher low structure build, and everything is just moving strongly. That's where we are once again, folks. It is a bullish context, a bullish situation, even for those of you that are thinking about dealing with Lido DAO at this level. It's all about being bullish. It's still a good entry at this level, so I wouldn't be bothered about that. And I definitely enjoy seeing that the targets are quite far away, even from $2.9. You're speaking about a possibility of 40% on the table, which should be monetized by the ones that are enjoying cryptocurrency trading. That's pretty much where we are, folks. For those of you that would like to participate in my trades, totally outsourced and done for you, you can check out my trading journey and find out more, including the one-on-one coaching program. If you're serious about a crypto world and would like to go for financial freedom, this is a complex educational program where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Have a good time, folks. Qualify for a free call with me and check out a video to discover how does it work.